Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to stop background data consumption and might as well save internet data consumption in your Windows, okay? So let's start the process. First is you need to locate your settings and simply open that and go to this Windows update. Here, just have to go for advanced options, click that, and after that, you need to make sure that this is completely off. I mean, this receive updates is off, give me up to date, this is off, download updates over metered connections is off, and notify me when a restart is required to finish updating is off because this will just consume data space in your Windows. Okay? So after that, you need to search for internet, or you can just simply actually scroll down here and go to network and internet and go to the second one, ethernet, and make sure this method connection is on. I mean, once you turn this on, it will reduce data usage when you're connected to this network. Okay? So after that, scroll down again at the left side of your screen and go to privacy and security. Here you need to scroll down and under the app permissions, go to location and make sure that this specific application is off because this will just consume data in your Windows. Okay? And might as well here, just have to scroll down again, and might as well here in the camera, you need to make sure that you disable the access of this camera and the feedback hub because I'm again this will just consume data. Okay, and might as well here, let's go back, scroll down again. In the microphone, just have to turn all of this off again, the sound recorder, this feedback hub, this Microsoft Teams, the camera, because this will just consume a lot of data in your computer, which actually causes logs or bugs. I mean, it will just create a more data consumption in your computer. Okay? So, those are the steps that you need to follow in order to reduce, I mean, yes, reduce data consumption in your Windows. So, hopefully, this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.